Good evening guys, it's already 12 p.m. By the way, I'm Luther Tanchoco, your trusted real estate partner. So, madaming nagtatanong sa akin kung ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng ready for occupancy and pre-selling unit. So, sasagutin natin yan and ibibigay ko rin ng advantage kahit isa. So, pre-selling unit for example is you have a estimated turnover date, meaning to say doon ka pa lang makakalipat. Like, katulad siya ng product pre-order. So, may lote pa lang kapag nabili mo sila, then siguro mga 2027, 2028, depende kung anong sabihin sa'yo ng ahente mo. Then yun, doon ka pa lang makakalipat. So, example, makakalipat ka within 2027 of January, doon pa lang mata-turn over yung unit mo. Or, may tinatawag pa tayong grace period, which is, madadagdagan, kunyari, January, madadagdagan siya ng within 3 to 6 months. Let's say, April ka na makakalipat or so on. Maybe July, June, it depends. However, ready for occupancy unit is makakalipat ka na kagad within that month or weeks lang. Within 2 to 4 weeks or 1 to 2 months. Depende. Once na ma-approve ka ng financing na gusto mo or options mo ng financing, Pag-ibig, bank, in-house, depends. Is makakalipat ka na kagad within a certain of short time. So, ano nga ba ang advantage kapag pre-selling unit? So, bibigay lang ako at least dalawa. Which is, mas makapag-ready ka and affordable siya. However, affordable, maganda rin kasi tumataas yung value ng property na binili mo. So, which means pwede mo rin siyang i-sell or i-resell mo yung value ng property mo with a certain time. For example, I'll give you an example. Maybe you buy in 2025 property, then you will sell it in 2028. So, mas mataas na yung value ng property mo. However, sa ready for occupancy, pwede mo rin namang ibenta within a certain period of time. Then, ang advantage naman kay ready for occupancy is syempre, makakalipat ka na agad, magagamit mo na yung bahay. Then, syempre may community na rin doon. Makakapag-join ka sa mga community doon and around. So, kung interesado ka magkaroon ng sarili mong bahay para sa iyong pamilya, i-message mo ako direct. This is